Welcome back to my channel. I'm here giving you another wig review. Today I'm going to be reviewing this lace front synthetic wig. It is in the style Swiss Lace Valeria. I got it in the color Vivid Copper. I've been dying to get my hands on some nice orange coppery tone hair for a while now, so I'm really excited to try this one out. This is she out of the little packaging, but this is the inside construction. So there is, you know, lace just for a middle part, and then there's lace around the perimeter, so you could pluck it and make it more, you know, realistic looking. And so far I'm really digging the color. I am in love with the color, and it looks like there's like a little bit of highlights in there too. There's like you can't really tell, but there's like highlights in there. But I am really digging the color. So first I'm going to use the stocking cap, put my hair in a stocking cap as usual. Also, this wig comes with two combs on the sides, and then there's also one comb in the back, and of course it comes with adjustable straps. And then I'm gonna just plop the wig on just to show you guys how it looks. Oh, I'm gonna really like this wig. I do have to cut it. Yeah, because this is like super long, and I feel like the longer the hair is, the more tangled it gets. So the hair comes down, 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 down. I can't even show you guys. Like, this is where my belly button is. It's going past that, and it's like butt. Like, it's going to my butt. So, and I'm 5'7", just so you guys know. And so this is really, really long hair. I'm probably gonna cut it to boob length because, yeah, I do boob length. I don't do anything further than that. So I'm gonna go off camera. I know I said I was gonna do it on camera, but I'm gonna go off camera. I'm just gonna pluck this middle part until I like what I like the part. Because right now it's looking super fake. And I'm going to do some little bit of plucking right here and create some baby hairs, and I'll be right back to style it on my head, okay? Alright, so I'm back. I finished off the edges. It's looking pretty decent. Like, this side looks really well, the other side not so much because I didn't do enough plucking. But I'll show you just the good side. This is very wavy hair. I have to say, this hair tangles a lot. Like, when I say a lot, I mean a whole lot. Like, this is a very tangled mess in a way, but as soon as I like finish brushing it out, it like tangles back up. I don't know if it's the curls that they put in here, because they have like some really weird spiral curls that just won't brush out no matter what I do. And I'm like I've been spraying it with water, like trying to get it out to stop it from tangling up, but it's still tangling. So if you get this, I would say just be careful with the tangling. I think it's pretty cute. This is like a wig for pictures, to be honest. This is giving me major SZA vibes and Rihanna vibes, because Rihanna definitely had orangey copper hair at one point or another. But yeah, this hair is nice. The length of the hair I did not like, so thank goodness I cut it. Because I feel like there would have been too much tangles going on, and that's too much for me. I cannot handle that lifestyle. Like, that's not okay. That's not okay. I'm fine with long hair being curly, but this wavy texture being long, no thank you. All right, so I'm gonna rate this wig a 7 out of 10. So the reason why I'm giving it 7 out of 10 is of course because it tangles like hell, but with the length chopped off, it's better, it's easier to manage, and like now I can run my fingers through the hair. It's really nice. I also like the texture of the hair, even though it was giving me trouble in the beginning. Now it's a little bit more tamed and better, and I feel like if you put mousse in it, it probably would give you a nice, you know, wet and wavy, you know, mood. It'll give you a nice mood. The color is bomb. That was the whole point of me getting this. The color is bomb. Like, I look like a whole new person. But yeah, if you guys like this video, like what you saw, like this wig, please leave me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also, hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be down in this corner right here. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning into another video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.